Hello, welcome to lesson number 1 of our course, How to Play High Life Guitar. Knowing your guitar. Our main objective for this lesson is that by the end of this lesson, you must be able to label your guitar parts or identify the parts of your guitar, being acoustic or electric. Now, let us take a look at our guitar. Alright, let us begin with this acoustic guitar. You can see I have an acoustic Fender. You may be using Gibson or any other acoustic guitar, but the features are the same. Let us look at these things here. We call them headstock. Very good. What about these things? We call them tuning pegs. Okay, tuning pegs. Now, we have the body of the guitar here, the bridge, pick guard, sound hole. All right, and then we have the neck of the guitar, or fretboard. Then we have these metals on it. We call them frets. The wires on the guitar is known as strings. And then with this, I have these white dots over here. We call them key indicators or note indicators. Key indicator or note indicator. Welcome to the assessment session. Now let me ask you some few questions. What are the names of these things here? What is the name? How do you call this? Yes. How do you call this? This black thing here, how do you call it? How do you call this? How do you call this? Then, how do you call this surface? The metals over here, how do you call them? And the wires too, how do we call them? These are your assessment questions. Answer them and then send me a feedback on my WhatsApp number on the screen now for evaluation. Meet you for another lesson. Thank you.